Hello, beginners. Don't you think my eyes look like a fox eye? Yeah, that's a fox eye look or fox eye liner. I created in a very simple way with all the drugstore brands. And please, in today's video, just let me know which language do you prefer, English, Urdu, or Hindi. I just want to know my audience language. अगर आप उर्दू में या हिंदी में सुनना चाहते हैं तो वो भी मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बताइएगा. So move toward the tutorial. So I start by using moisturizer. It's a Garnier Ultra Clear Moisturizer. I'm applying over my eyes, and moisturizing is very important. Then I'm using a facial roller. I'm giving a good massage around my eye. It will reduce my fine lines, my wrinkles, my dark circles, and especially it will help to deep penetrate my moisturizer. Now for concealer, I'm using Maybelline Master Concealer. It's a cream-based concealer. It's highly recommended for beginners. I'm just pressing it with my finger. You can see I'm not rubbing it. I'm just pressing it in this way. It will deep penetrate into my fine lines, give me full coverage, and it's amazing concealer, by the way. And for more coverage, I'm using Fit Me's press powder on my eye. Now for fox eye look, I apply tape toward my brow end, so it will give you more fox look. Now using Morphe 35 Boss M-Mode Palette Brown shade. And the brush I'm using is Submerge brush. It's called Submerge by e.l.f. and it's a precision brush, so it's very recommended for precise work. And I am just stabbing a brown shade over my eyelid. So I'm just putting the shade. You can see I'm just putting it. I'm not rubbing or I'm not blending it. Now it's an ordinary blending brush. I got it from Amazon. I don't remember the name. I'm just giving the inner stroke for the blending because blending is very important. Blending, blending, blending. Yes, blending is very important. After that, I will use from the same palette, Morphe palette, and I'm using a highlighting shade. You can use any white or cream-based shade for the highlighting purpose. So I'm using a highlighting shade with finger. It's very pigmented and it's highly recommended to use with finger. Now it's Milani's gel pencil. Every product name mentioned in the description. It's very amazing, buttery texture gel pencil, very pigmented. So I'm applying over my lid toward my brow. And with e.l.f. liner brush, it's a flat hat brush, I'm giving a inward blending. Now you can see how amazingly it's blending. It's submerged with my skin. Now with same palette, lighter shade of brown and the same brush, submerged brush, I am applying some brown shade along with my edges of the liner just to give them a very blended and smooth look. So I just blend it out and you can see it's now very much smooth. Now I'm using Rimmels Wonder Ink liner. It's a very pointy liner, you can see. I will create the same thickness of my liner. So with the same thickness, I will, when I achieve the thickness, yeah, so you can see that pretty much. And now I will continue making the inner edge liner. Here comes the most important part of fox liner look, which is your inner edge look. I'm bringing it from the outer toward my upper waterline. And when you achieve this desired look, you can thick your liner a little more. Now I'm applying mascara before my lashes. I do apply mascara every time before I apply lashes. So it will give me more thicker and fuller look. So my lashes are here. I apply my lashes. And lastly, I'm going to use a blending eye brush. It's of e.l.f. It's a round hat brush. And I'm using same Morphe palette, a lighter shade of brown. And I'm just going to give a under eye look. So under eye makeup is also very important for finished look of your eye makeup. So I'm just blending it here. And that's it. So you can see how simple it is. You can simply create for your work, for your job, for your casual or formal parties. And if you like my channel, please do subscribe me. I'm waiting for your comments and likes. Thank you.